In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to block invalid email signup in AbanteCart. Firstly, go to MailboxValidator.com/resources. Search for block invalid email signup in AbanteCart. Select this article. Then, go to the MailboxValidator AbanteCart plugin page. Add the plugin to the cart. Click on Checkout. Click on Confirm Order. After that, download the MailboxValidator AbanteCart plugin. Now, let's go to your AbanteCart admin dashboard. Go to Extensions, Install Extension. Select Extension Upload. Click on Browse. Select the file downloaded just now. Click on Continue. Then, please read and agree to the package license agreement. Change the status to On. You will need to enter a MailboxValidator API key here. You may sign up for a MailboxValidator API key if you do not have one at MailboxValidator.com/plans#API. Log into your MailboxValidator account. Copy your API key. Then, go back to the AbanteCart admin page. Paste your API key here. You can block different types of emails like invalid email, disposable email, free email, and role-based email. You can also customize the error message shown in your registration form. Once you are done, save your settings. Now, let's go to your registration form to test the result. Type an invalid email address and fill in all the details. Once done, press Continue. The error message appears for the invalid email address that was typed, and you are done.